Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting just enough ready to move fast. Make sure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location are enabled so the app can detect devices. Open Wi-Fi Connect, accept the permissions prompt, and sign in or create an account. This stores settings and grants access. Once signed in, use the app scan to find nearby SSIDs, tap the network you want, and press Connect. This starts the handshaking and credential exchange required to join the router quickly and securely. Once the connection attempt begins, you'll need to authenticate and set network options. If a password is needed, type it carefully. Alternatively, use WPS or scan the router's QR code to autofill credentials and avoid typos. Next, pick IP4 or IP6 and decide whether to use DHCP or a static IP. Keep DHCP unless you need a fixed address. Finally, enable any advanced features like guest network, basic firewall profile, and assign device names. Finish by validating the connection. Run a quick speed test, check RSSI or signal bars, and confirm the device appears in the app's connected list. Save the network profile so your device auto reconnects and turn on notifications for disconnects or firmware updates to stay current. If something goes wrong, try basic fixes first. Restart the app, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, or reboot the router. If issues persist, reset network settings on the device and repeat the secure setup to clear stale credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.